What is digital marketing, DM? Video will help you with the basic concepts of DM and how to build your career in this field. Below are the topics covered in this DM tutorial for beginners. 1. Evolution of digital marketing. 2. What is DM? 3. Why digital marketing? 4. Scope of DM. 5. Types of digital marketing. 6. Challenges. What will I learn? 1. Consumer segmentation. 2. Consumer marketing. 3. Online reputation management. 4. Performance marketing. 5. Web analytics. 6. Search engine marketing. 7. Social media marketing. 8. Mobile marketing. 9. Affiliate marketing. 10. Channel marketing. 11. Influencer marketing. And the requirements for this course are: 1. Freshers looking to make a career in digital marketing. 2. Entrepreneurs looking to get an in-depth understanding of digital marketing. 3. Manager, executives looking to upgrade their skills in digital marketing.